Hey guys, welcome to Top End Rugby League Cards. This is the team randomisation for break 135. Time's 12:02 in Cairns. We'll go live. Grab the teams. Thanks again for filling this one. This one will go live tonight on completion of Super Saturday 91, 92 and 93. So Tigers at the bottom, Broncos at the top. Randomised 5 times. 16 spots, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and 5 times. So there's our teams. Put them in here. Save that. So I'll turn this autosave off. I hate autosave. Then we'll save it. And I'll put that list straight up, guys. And any trades, please tag me. As I said, we'll go live straight after 91, 92, 93, which will be 8 o'clock start. Thanks, guys. Time is 12:03. Have a good rest of the day. Cheers.